Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Using with Goldy. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to talk about which is the best shoes you need to buy before going on a cruise ship. Guys, this is a very serious topic. You must be thinking why this guy is making a video on a shoes. What is important about it? Guys, it is very important. Not only important. Because see what happened when you go on a cruise ship, as I told you, cruise ship jobs are difficult. It required a lot of standing work. So when you are standing, so you require the best quality of the shoes. I'm not going to tell you the brand you can decide. So whenever you're buying a shoes, make sure you're buying a flat shoes like this. Now you can see the shoes, this one, it's flat. There is no sole over here. It's a flat sole, you can say. The reason I'm saying flat sole, guys, you will be standing for 11 hours. And if you go for a sole one, a bigger sole over here, your feet, your legs will really ache. And I have seen people, they have just given up. They cannot stand anymore because their shoes was not comfortable. So guys, please, it is a request, go for a flat sole. There is another thing. If you want, you can go ahead, buy it. I always does is this. The extra sole. This is not just another sole, it is extra. I mean, I paid 400-500 extra for this. This is very soft, you can see. This is the extra sole which I always buy, and it make my shoes more comfortable, so I can stand for more time. Talk about the price of the shoes. So guys, whenever you're going to buy a shoes, please do not look into the price, because this shoes you're going to wear for 6 to 9 months. Yes, so you need to go for the comfort. Please do not see into the price. If the comfortable shoes is coming for 5,000, 10,000, just buy it. Rest all you can compromise, but on shoes, please do not compromise. So a lot of you must be thinking why this guy is talking about the shoes. I heard that if I work on a cruise ship, the shoes is provided. Yes, you are partially right. There are department, if you're working in that department, the safety shoes are provided, like kitchen department, deck department, housekeeping department. But most of the department, the shoes is not provided. You need to buy your own shoes. So please buy the most comfortable shoes whenever you're going on a cruise ship, because you're going to work there for 6 to 9 months and 11 hours a day. So be prepared. So guys, I hope you like this video. I keep making such videos about cruise ship and cruise ship life. So till then, bye from Cruising with Goldy.